Hey guys, welcome back in the third chapter where we will plan our route to success. So far we have our strategy, we already back-tested it and analyzed the results in the first and the second video. So now we have to figure out what's the next step will be. At first we can practice on demo account. After the demo, or like some people call it the forward testing phase, we can try it with real money. But please only with a small amount. What really doesn't matter if you lose it. For beginners it can be a real shock when they first taste how it feels to lose real money. I have some experience with it, so I won't overuse the demo mode with this strategy. If we are talking about the next level, I want to talk about two options. The first one is our money. We are trading our savings. The second is we are going to prop firms to try to pass their challenge. If we succeed, they give us money to trade with and we get a profit split from the result. It varies from company to company, but it can be somewhere from 70 to 85%. But these challenges are not easy. In this firm especially you have to reach 8% profit in 30 calendar days. So about 22 trading days, without losing more than 12% overall and 5% daily. If profit target is reached, you have to pass another phase to prove them you are worthy for their money. 5% profit in 60 calendar days without losing more than 12%. And then, you can generate profits and get yourself your split. We have to consider the fact that our strategy makes on average 7% per month. So it would be very hard to pass these challenges. But we reached 5% in 7 months out of the 8-month database. If we increase the risk per trade taken from 1 to 2%, we can easily reach the profit target in time. Something like this: win, lose, win, win, and we got our first phase reached. %8 passed right there. Then we reduce it back to 1% for the second phase because we got twice as much time as in the first phase, so we won't be in such a hurry. %5 profit target reached here. We passed the challenge in December and got our live account. So that's the plan. Max daily drawdown is not a thing for this strategy because we open only one trade per day. The overall 12% max loss is also can be avoided since we had 6 loss in a row max. I also plan to trade the personal account with my money with 1% risk without change. And the plan is to get money from the prop firms and pump it into my personal account to achieve more profit. People are thinking that you need to have a ton of money to be successful in trading. And I will prove them wrong. You can use several methods to make the process quicker. As I mentioned before, I have a full-time job and am trading only before work. The biggest advantage what I noticed is that I don't have time to always be on the phone and check the trades in every minute. Means I can't fuck it up when it's already open. 1 year ago I was in front of the monitor all day, and every small movement on the charts made me stressed, angry or happy. It's 1,000 times easier if you have something that makes you busy while your position is open. I only check it if I get the notification that my position hit either the stop loss or the take profit level. One other huge advantage of having a full-time job is that I don't really depend on the money I make from trading. If I make nothing, the monthly bills will still be paid. That's why I'm not that stressed than before. I can open any position that my strategy tells me without worrying about the outcome. If it wins, it wins. If lose, then lose. I have my back-tested results that I can trust. So from 2023, I will start one prop firm challenge in every month. Probably won't pass them all, but if I pass one, I get back the challenge fees, so it's like buying 2 challenges for one price. The goal for the year 2023 is to bring 5% profit on the personal account every month on average. I will keep you updated weekly with the results, and in a couple months you will see that anybody can be successful in trading. I'm optimistic with this strategy, so I will officially start at January 2nd in 2023. New year, new luck.